Hey everybody, this is your boy Apostle for Viral Loops, and today I'm going to show you how you can install the Facebook pixel on the page for your referral marketing campaign using Viral Loops. Of course, the instructions I'm going to show you are only applicable if you're using Viral Loops pages in order to build your landing page. If you have a custom built website, you can go and follow the instructions given by Facebook in order to do so. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. It's really easy. It's going to take just a few minutes, nothing more than 2 minutes. So all you have to do is to go to edit your campaign. You should go to the integrations tab and you will find the Facebook pixel, and here you have to activate this. It's going to redirect you in this page, as you can see, with the integrations and the Facebook pixel. I'm going to leave the name as it is for now. I'm going to save it, and now I have to go to next, to installation. Okay, I'll use Viral Loops pages and I will edit the campaigns page. Now here you have to go to the page integration section, and here you can see there's a field for your Facebook pixel ID. Where you can find the pixel ID, you have to go to your business manager and then into the events manager. If you cannot find it, you can search for it here. And you have to create, of course, a pixel if you don't have already one. So I'll create a pixel. Blah blah blah, this is my pixel. Yes, hit create. Good, I'm good, yes. And here is the pixel. Damn you, Facebook, I don't want to do this. So all you have to do is to copy the pixel ID and come back to your campaign and paste it. You have to hit save. Good. Now if you go back and back again, and you should open a tab where you don't have an ad blocker or something. Okay. And now if you go to view the source, and you can see it's right here. So you're basically done. Wasn't it easy? I'll see you next time. Whatever question you might have, you can shoot our support team. That's why we're here, and I hope to see you soon. Peace!